Alright, Model Rocks 321 here, back with a quick video. This is just a video of a recent purchase, an eBay battle I had to win to get this kit. Some of you may have been in that battle, I'm not sure. But it's for the Gemini, well, not the, I keep saying Gemini, it's for the Titan II missile. This is Gemini right here. After the missile, they started using the just the booster to get the Gemini capsule up there. So this auction was pretty cool. It ran up pretty high, more than I really wanted to spend for it, but I did want one of these after going down to the Titan Missile Museum in Tucson, Arizona. Got inspired to want to build one, so now I have one. This is the vintage kit. I believe it's from the 80s. It says right here, the semi-scale model of the Titan ICBM, clear plastic fin unit, removable display nozzle, 12-inch parachute recovery, plastic nose cone, which is right here. This nose cone is really cool. This is a very unique cone. There's only the only cone made for the Gemini. It's just for the Gemini. No other kit will be able to use this. You can put it in a BT-60, but if you're scratch building. But yeah, it's a rare cone. Like, you don't see many of these pretty much on any other rocket because it's made specifically for the Titan II missile. So yeah, pretty nice kit. Has the display nozzle. You'll have to, the display nozzles for the engine. You'll have to build those. Here we have that right here. Everything will have to be built, detailed and painted and everything like that. Yeah, got the BT-60. Here's the decals, water slide, really nice. Star and bars. Here you have the motor mount stuff, motor tube. The little ring's already inside here. It's removable. It's found its way inside there. The little spacer for when you're putting your engine mount together. Came with a 12-inch parachute. For some reason, it seemed like this may need an 18-inch parachute, but came with a 12-inch piece of elastic shock cord, which is still seemed pretty not as rotted as it seemed like it would be for the age. And here we have some shroud line and the building instructions. The instructions are, pretty good. The instructions are pretty good. I've read through these already just to take a look. Yeah, it's a fairly straightforward build. It's a skill level 2 rocket. Not too difficult. Not too difficult. Here's the little piece you would cut out for your shock cord mount. But overall, pretty good. Here they tell you how to apply the decals. There's also a section telling you how to mask off and how to paint it to get the paint scheme right with the silver and the white. So, and then you have a black tip on for the cone, the warhead. But yeah, overall a good kit. I'm glad they have grabbed it. And here's the plastic fin unit. The fin unit. This, it's removable, so you can put the display on. Those right there, you can put the 2 engines on there. This came broken. I knew it was broken when I got it. One of the fins are broke, so one of the fins actually broke off completely. And I could see where the other one's kind of got a little scar on it where it wants to break. But I'll be able to work with this. No big deal. But I did want to get one of these kits, so now I have one. I'm not sure when I'm going to get around to building this guy, but it is definitely on a list to get in the air. But this restore is ahead of this one, so this is the restore of a Gemini Titan. It don't have the fins. I'll have to find some fins for it, but I do want to get both of them built. So I have the Titan II and I have the Gemini Titan. So pretty cool to have. Kind of you can see the differences in the two a little bit there, but yeah, pretty nice find. I'm happy with it. All the parts are, very nice. The decals, everything seems really fresh too. Like, the only thing that's really beat is the package. The card, the front card, this was really bent, this corner. But overall, it's in good condition. The back of the bag, of course, pretty worn, dirty, but kept really well for all the years. So I'm glad to have it. Like I said, I won it in the auction recently on eBay. Went on and paid a little bit for it. 12-inch parachute. That unique cone, body tube, everything's good. No creasing in the body, everything's pretty nice. It's even feel tougher. Like, this is the back in the day Estes kits. This is kit number 1918, just to let you know. Yep, 1918, flies to 750 feet. So pretty cool. I'm glad to have it. And I want to show you another purchase I made recently. Little Christmas gift for myself. It's a rocket that I always wanted to get. Again, I had one years ago, and I grabbed this from Hobby Link. They were running the sale on it. It's the HV Arcus. I love this scale kit. It's a mid-power rocket. They actually changed some things. Now they have an aluminum motor retainer, which is pretty cool. and made in USA. Yeah, 4.5 feet tall. I love this rocket right here. It flies really great. It's a good mid-power rocket. Flies on F and G motors, F and G's actually. So this is a cool one. I'm glad to have this also. Get it. Like I said, I have plenty to build and plenty to repair. But before any of these, Saturn V, my Saturn V build should be underway soon. I just have a couple things I want to finish up before I even start that, because I want to give that its full attention and no distraction to, you know, jump and start working on another rocket before I can get finished with any of these. So this is my latest rockets that I got that I'm gonna get built and put on the channel, and hopefully do some launches for you guys to see. And it should be fun. It should be cool. Hopefully everything goes well with these. It should. I had this a long time ago, and it was a terrible mistake I made. Shroud line got between the parachute, got between the shoulder where the nose cone goes in, and it ejected, but it wasn't strong enough to push it off. I was just in a rush to get it in the sky, and it turned over and it crashed. I crashed it in Maryland. It wasn't too bad damage, but I just lost track of the rocket like years ago. I think I sold it or did something, got rid of it because the front end was all like kind of torn up. So it's going, but I have it again. So it's a cool rocket. I like the Arcus. I love that. It's cool. Cool scale kit. Yep. So that's everything for right now. This is Model Rockets 321. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We will bring you more rockets, builds, launches, tips, tricks, and we'll see what else we can do this coming year, 2020. Everybody have a good holiday, stay safe, and fly high, recover low. Peace.